What's up, everybody? My name is Eric Howe. I'm the founder of Mixmajor, and welcome to Beats for Beginners. This is an exclusive, self-paced online class made just for kids and teens that are just getting started making music. In this class, your kid is going to make a beat. That actually includes not just the drums, which you would think of as the beat, but it includes chords, it includes melodies and bass lines. Yes, your child is going to do all this in this class. And at the very end, they're going to be so excited to share with you what they've made. It took me 11 years of playing piano before I could start creating my own music. I can have your kid creating music in about an hour. And this will be a great introduction for them into the world of electronic music production, which is music and technology. It's art and science. It's so much fun, and it's a great way for your kid to build confidence as they discover their hidden musical talents, okay? It's music, it's technology, it's fun, and it's educational. And hopefully, this will inspire your child to start their own musical journey.